Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lashanya, or you can call me Mama L. If you're new here, welcome, welcome. If you're a loyal subscriber, what is Poppington? So to jump into today's video, we're basically gonna talk about how to make some curls juicy and pretty again. So if you are interested in that, yeah, just keep on watching. Right, so my hair looks a damn mess. It looks insane, but we are here to learn how to fix this little situation. I bought this hair from Amazon and I did a review video on it. So I guess this could be a little update for you guys. I'm not really sure how long it's been, but I know I got it like end of July or the beginning of August, around then. So you're gonna need a paddle brush. You're gonna need a soft brush. I don't know what you call it, but me and my mom would call it a soft brush. Toothbrush for your edges, cause it's looking rough. And you're gonna need a comb, a wide tooth comb. So product wise, sometimes I bounce back and forth between Cream of Nature's Mango and Shea Butter Ultra Moisture leave-in conditioner. I use this on my natural hair as well, so I do need some more because the girl's running low. Or if I don't use that, I will use Shea Moisture's Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Can it? Boo. But today, since I am running low on my leave-in conditioner, and I need that for my actual hair, because you know, you have to take care of your hair underneath your wigs. I'm gonna use the Curl Enhancing Smoothie today for this is it a tutorial? I guess it's a tutorial. So another product that I use to wrap up my whole little mane here, I'll use Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum, because sometimes with curly hair or while it's drying, it will start to frizz up, and this actually helps me stay all sleek and whatever throughout the day. But I didn't talk about the most important ingredient, okay? This is Dexter's Laboratory. You need water. I have a spray bottle here that I finessed from my mama. Hi mom. She got it from the dollar store, so you know, I took it because I'm just like, girl, you can get another one, it's $1. I'm broke, you're not. I'm gonna part down the middle and see, it's all matted and stuff. Girl, this is serious. We're gonna start with one side at a time so I can compare it for you guys. So I'm gonna start with the white tea comb, and you're gonna go ends to root, never go root to ends. You will end up balding your wig, and you'll end up pulling out your natural hair if this is what you're doing on your natural hair. So you need to start ends to the root. Don't do too much because this is curly hair, so you kind of just want to get it separated. I don't want to completely disrupt the curl pattern. You don't want to make it completely looser because this is already a loose, wavy, deep curly, so I don't want to make it like loosey. So this is like actually enough. Now that we have done that, we're just gonna take the paddle brush, go through it as well. We are gonna now take some water, H2O, and spray that bad boy all over. Drown that girl. Drown it. So you can see those dead ass curls reappearing. All I needed was some water. I was thirsty. So now that you got the water in there, you start seeing the curl pattern a little bit. We're gonna now take some of the Curl Enhancing Smoothie and we're gonna go in with some of that. I actually use this product. I'm actually running low as well. Look at that. See, I ain't no fraud, y'all. I'll tell the truth. So I'm not taking a lot because you don't want to put a lot of product in wigs or weaves. You just want to put enough to, you know, get that moisture back. But literally that's all I'm taking, or probably even less than that. And I'm going to put it both together in my hands and probably even add in some water and just put it in there. And I like to scrunch. I'm gonna do the last step. I'm gonna take some of the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz. Literally not a lot either, like not even a whole pump. Literally a half a pump, and just rub it through the top, because I personally like my top to be flat and the bottom to be poofy, but I don't know, to each his own. See, that kind of like calms down the frizz, so when it dries it won't be a mess. And it also adds in some shine, so because obviously when hair is wet it looks nice and whatever you want to call it, shiny, but after it dries it doesn't stay that way. So if you add in a little bit of sleek and shine, the shine will stay. Then I'm gonna finish it off by taking the soft brush and just combing down those little flyaways. So I'm gonna stop here and I'm gonna do the other half. So this is what we're looking like on. Keep scrunching if you want it to be bigger, but I'm gonna stop right here and I'm gonna do the other side and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I have the other side finished. So I'm trying to figure out what way I want my hair. If I wanted my hair down the middle, I'll do my two baby hairs this way. If not, but I think today I want to wear my hair like so, to the side, play with it a bit. Cool beans. So I kind of want to hide my lace because I can't stand like seeing that stupid ass lace there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some Eco Styler gel. I have so much. And I'm going to take, this is where the handy dandy toothbrush comes in. So I'm gonna take the toothbrush and I'm gonna make my little swoops to kind of sorta hide the lace, but not hide the lace because we all know the lace ain't moving. People be like, what lace? That lace, sis. Just so I don't end up looking crazy, and because I've been using this mirror, I'm going to use this side mirror right here and I'm gonna put a little bit. Ooh, child, this is not helpful. See, I'm used to doing this both my hands, but yeah. Okay, my swoops don't want to cooperate today. You know what? I'm gonna do this in the mirror, be right back. Okay, so I added my baby swoops in. They're not at their best, but you get the picture what I'm trying to do. So this is really it. That is how you achieve some nice juicy curls after having a crazy ass looking wig. I guess I could do like a mini update. So like I said before, I've had this wig since the end of July, beginning of August, and I do wear it enough. So I guess I could do a quick update on it. Does it still shed? Yes, it still sheds, but surprisingly not as bad as it used to. The curls have upkept. They're not that like looser than they used to be, but yeah, like I still enjoy wearing this wig. If I didn't like it, I wouldn't wear it. I'm just not that type of person because I don't want to be out here looking crazy. So Brianna is living her best life over here with me, her mother. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Come on in, join the family. I'm not that crazy. And yeah, that's really it. So have a good day, have a happy day, have a blessed day, and I'll see you in my next video.